how to post Shopify products on Facebook. So if you want to quickly learn on how you can post your Shopify products on Facebook, here's how you're going to do it. So what you're going to be doing is you are going to come to your Shopify store and you're going to click on Add Apps. And what you're going to be doing is you're going to be adding the Facebook app into your ad channel. So for that, you're going to go over to your Shopify app store. Okay. And once you go over to your Shopify App Store, simultaneously, what you're going to want to do is you're also going to make sure that you have Facebook Shop set it up on your Facebook account. Okay. So obviously, I already have mine set it up, and I assume that coming into this video, you are going to have yours set it up as well. So once that is done, you're going to come here where it says Facebook and Instagram. Once you click on it, you're going to click on Install. And once you click on Install, it's going to bring you to your Shopify store where it's going to obviously be asking you to, mess around with different things, occur with different things, and just go along with things as you want. So here we're just going to wait for it to take us to the actual admin. And once you're over here, you are simply going to click on install. It's going to install Facebook and Instagram into your sales channel, okay, directly coming in from Meta. And once it loads in, what's going to happen from there is it's going to bring us here. Okay. So here we are. Now, what we're going to want to do over here is we're going to be connecting our Facebook account, and you're going to make sure that you have pixels on your Facebook account as well, which is basically a meta pixel. Okay. And to create a meta pixel, you're going to make sure to have a proper Facebook Marketplace account, right? So I'm going to click on Get Started over here. Then it says connect a Facebook account. Obviously, I'm going to go ahead and do that. I have a proper, account, so I'm going to go ahead and give it consent to connect it with Shopify. Now, once we do that, it's going to come here where it's going to say, choose your business account. So I'm going to go with, this business account that I have. Then it says, do you want pixel sharing? I'm going to go with enhanced preference sharing. And then it says connect a pixel. So as you can see, I have a lot of pixels over here, right? So I'm going to click on connect. It connects that, agree to Meta's terms, and you're going to submit it for review. So the reviewing can take around 1 or 2 days. Okay. And while it's doing that, you can actually go ahead and click on publish products, and it says make products available to Facebook and Instagram. So once you click on publish products, what this will do is it will take your products from Shopify onto your Facebook and Instagram space. Obviously, it's not loading right now because we haven't been approved, but once you get approved, that's how it works. So that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Goodbye.